Hi, this is Michael Nesbitt from the Bike Marketer team. I hope everyone is very, very well today. Today I'm going to be talking about ClickANDBank and why we have gone in the direction that we actually have with ClickANDBank, because ClickANDBank is a web-based product and we are moving away from everything to do with WordPress, and I'm going to tell you all the reasons for that today. We will still obviously support all of the WordPress things that we have done over the years. Of course, we will obviously do that for people, but there's some very, very important reasons why we have moved away and why we have developed ClickANDBank. And I'm sure that it will be very, very relevant to many people who use WordPress at this moment in time, who have doubtless had exactly the same issues that we have had as a business, and we feel it's for the benefit of our customers because we want to provide the best service that we actually can provide. So let's crack into it. This is ClickANDBank, which is a fantastic product. What it does, it gives you affiliate sites for all of the ClickANDBank niches. So all 23 niches, you will get a site, you will get bonuses, you will get videos, and you will get daily content, all to do with every single niche. So if you're into something like health and fitness, you click the health and fitness, and there'll be a number of sites already within there, and all you have to do, well, I will show you. It's very, very simple and straightforward. We've got a fantastic demo today as well, and I will go into the various different design features that this product actually can offer you. So ClickANDBank, 100% automated, completely hosted for you, so there's no hosting costs like you would have with WordPress. But the fantastic thing with ClickANDBank is you can use your own domain. So this has obviously been a problem for a few people. I've had a few emails from people saying, oh, I like that product, but I want to be able to use my own domain. Can I use my own domain? And some products you actually can't. With ClickANDBank, you can use your own domain. So it's very, very similar to using WordPress. In fact, I would suggest people move away from WordPress and use ClickANDBank, because you will get the benefit of it being monetized automatically for you. So you can do all the things that you would do with WordPress, but ClickANDBank is monetized using ClickBank niches and products. So there's no hosting costs for you. It's completely monetized. All 23 niches in ClickANDBank are covered, and this will continue constantly. I'm continually putting up information for you there, so you have constant daily content right across all of the niches within that. So you get websites, video content, and bonuses, and it's 100% customizable for you, so you can change it. If you don't like some of the content, you think, oh, I've got better, say, health and fitness content than that one, I quite like that product, but I'll use my own content. You can put that in yourself, put in your own images, your own videos, if you want to do that. If you don't, it's very simple, and it's all set and ready to go for you to rinse and repeat this and make money from it. It's very, very straightforward and simple to use. So you can stop time doing all of the hard work. If you're a newbie to this, you've come along at the right time. This is perfect for any newbies and anyone who isn't that technical. So don't waste hours creating and designing websites. You don't have to do that. This will do this for you. There's no more to ever create any content, because this will spin content for you as well. And there's no more to pay for ads and traffic from Google, because Google will rank this because of the daily content as well. No more wasting hours and hours of time getting results that you don't deserve. This will definitely get you results, because ClickBank is one of the best affiliate sites out there on the market. There's no need to have any technical fantastic prowess or any fantastic genius marketing skills. This will all do it for you. So there's no more struggling trying to get work out, because this will make you money online. There's no more hard to use software, if you have to upload things and it gets very complicated. ClickANDBank has everything. It's easy and simple, and it's a web-based platform, so it's very simple and easy for you to use. And this is how simple it is. It is so straightforward. You pick a niche. So this is obviously the ClickBank menu of all the different niches. You pick the niche that you want, that you like, that you want to make money in. You can pick them all if you want, but you can pick a niche, then you stick in your affiliate link. Now you can join ClickBank, if you're not already a member, completely free of charge. There's no need to be approved. So you can join, stick in your affiliate link, and then you click create website, and it will create a website in that niche for you, which will have video reviews, content, and bonuses linked to that product, so you can make money straight away from this. So that's it in a nutshell. Now, why did we actually develop this? The The reason we have developed this is because WordPress was becoming more difficult to work with for everyone involved. It was causing us constant issues, constant problems, causing customers really big problems, and the only solution was for us to go web-based with something that people can customize themselves, that is already monetized, that they are familiar with the look of, and that they would want to be able to use. So that is why we developed ClickANDBank. It's to help customers get everything that they need. Now, the other main issues that we had, and still obviously people will still have with WordPress, is some very, very serious problems and issues that we had. We have people that, there's lots of bad developers releasing bad plugins out there which don't work, which give us real headaches when people download these, because the software that we've sold to someone won't work with that bad plugin that has been developed. And this was major issues because people think it's our software and it isn't. It was causing issues and conflicts which we didn't actually want. The WordPress updates were causing more problems than they were worth. They didn't come early enough, they were taking too long, and when they did come, they weren't working like they should. Different server setups causing problems because everyone has a completely different setup, so it's difficult to know which plugins are going to work for them, and which plugins are actually going to solve the problems that they have, because we don't know what people's setups are. It's difficult to keep up to speed with all the changes every few months that WordPress would have, and that was causing really big problems for us. And most importantly, this is the very big thing. It wasn't secure, and it was getting hacked. And we can't have anything that we do, because we do so much software, and we promote so much software, and we have so much up online, and we have PayPal and various other revenue systems linked to things. We can't get hacked. It is a real major problem for us. So if it's a major problem for us, it was going to be a major problem for customers as well. And this was a huge issue, and it's something that people really need to be aware of. I think WordPress only deals with, I think, about 30% of all the websites worldwide, which, you know, is probably about 75 million or so. But you need to be aware that you have to keep up to date with things, and this is just a constant. And you know, I myself have done about 160 videos on various products in the last 6 months. So it's a massive amount of work to keep on top of. So we needed a solution, which is why we developed ClickANDBank, to move away from what was becoming a real problem for us. We had to put our customers' needs at the forefront of what we do, and as a business we had to make it better for us and better for you as customers. So that was the main reason why we're moving away, because there's just constantly becoming too many issues that couldn't be solved with WordPress. So this is ClickANDBank. This is what it looks like. You'll be very familiar with this. It's very simple to use. You've got embedded videos. You can easily embed videos, any kind of text and images, anything you want. Plus, it's monetized with ClickBank. And as you can see here, this is the dashboard. And if you click Create Post, it would basically bring up a blank post. You click there. In fact, what I will do is I will go in and actually show you. I think I had this open just before. If you bear with me 1 second, I hope this all, there we go. I knew I'd just been on it. So this is what ClickANDBank actually looks like. I will still get Dan to do a demo for you, but this is exactly what it looks like. So you'll be very familiar if you use WordPress, because obviously the dashboard's on the side. It's very straightforward. This is posts, so there's tons and tons of posts that come up. I think the traffic on the first day, we had about 198,000 to 250,000 actual posts put up there on the first day. So we did get a little bit of traffic with that. So if we click Create Post, this is how simple it all actually is. You stick in a title, stick in the time you want things to go live. As you can see, all the different design features here. So if, say, I want to put a video in here, how straightforward would that be? If I click Embed a Video, that's where you'd put the URL. So I'm sure I'm probably just watching something to do with cars, I would think, on YouTube, because I am a big car fan, typical guy. Here we go. There, Richard Hammond does all around the world bike ride. So that will be the URL there. So we'll just copy and paste that URL. So we'll copy that, and I'll stick this into here, and that should save that. So there you go, straight away. It's so simple to embed a video. If you want to embed an image as well, if I click here and I go into, I'll have some images within here. Here we go. I'll just click that image there. So there I've just embedded that image there as well, which is an image that I'm using on the presentation I'm doing now. So that's how straightforward and simple it is to embed videos and images. It's just so easy to use. As you can see down the side here, you've got content spinning, content sourcing, reviews, and everything that you would possibly need: pages, layout, configuration, live. You've got support, settings, dashboard, bonuses, absolutely everything that you would possibly need. But I will get Dan to do a full in-depth review, which will be about 10 minutes long, but it is totally worth watching, because this software, I would say it's probably the best piece of software that we have ever created. It is really, really fantastic. So that, as you've just seen, that's how straightforward and simple it is to use. It is really, really easy. And once you put things up, this is what I've just done. If you put something in, then you'll actually see, you can put the date and the time that you want things to go live, and then the feed source. But Dan will show you how to do things like that in the demo as well. So you can use ClickANDBank just like WordPress, which is great for you. And you create your own post, visual editor. There's lots of themes, lots of design options, and you can use your own domain. That's a really, really important thing. If you've been using WordPress for a while, you need something you can use your own domain with. That's if you want to. And of course, it's automated and monetized with ClickBank reviews, and there's no hosting costs if you don't want to have them. And that's great. The other great thing that you can do, which you'll get to see in the demo, is you can add banner ads and opt-in forms wherever you want. So if you want to have a banner ad at the top, and you can have that at the top, you can have it at the bottom, and on the sides you can have an opt-in form if you want one, to get people to opt in for what you're actually offering. There's lots and lots of great design features, and the great thing about it is it's really quick and it's really, really easy to use. And that's for newbies in particular. I do get quite a lot of messages, and I get quite a lot of emails from newbies who get a bit lost with various things. Oh, can I do this? Can I do that? And people, although the training videos are there for people and all the training bonuses are there, people tend, they start watching it, then they don't watch it. Watch all the training. The training is really, really helpful. But this, for newbies, is so straightforward and so simple. It's probably the easiest thing that you'll ever get to use. So there's no manual work needed. It's the simplest software you'll ever use if you're a newbie. It is really, really brilliant. It's been built with people like that in mind, as well as everyone else. So the other great thing, as I have touched on, is all 23 top performing niches. You get websites, videos, bonuses and content, tons and tons of content, and it's all totally customizable. As I said, you can put in your own content if you wish. You can have that spun every single day, and it will work really quickly and really well for you, and it will obviously rank, because it's all going to be original stuff that you're posting constantly. This will help you rank much, much higher with Google as well. So that's ClickANDBank, 100% automated affiliate sites. Really simple, really easy. What I'll do now is I'll get Dan to do the demo for you now, and then I will go into the gift that we've got for you for today, and other bonuses that you will get, and then I'll do a quick synopsis. So I'll get Dan to do that. Great demo for you today. Make sure you watch this demo. It is absolutely fantastic. Cheers.
Hey guys, Dan here, and welcome to the full technical demo of ClickANDBank. Now, what you're going to see here is what will be your actual user experience. There'll be no BS. This is exactly what you will see and what the experience you will have as soon as you purchase. So the first thing you need to do is you log in to the software here. You log into ClickANDBank. So we just click the login. And then as a brand new user, the very first thing you get is you get the process to set up your website. And of course, this is really incredibly simple. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give my site a name. So I'm going to call it my example fitness site. And we need to give it a subdomain name as well. So this is just basically the address that you're going to use to access the site. You can use your own domain as well if you want. I'll show you how to do that in a sec, but when you're just first setting up the site, you do need to enter a subdomain name. So it's going to be my example fitness site. And we also enter our ClickBank ID. So it would be my ClickBank ID, whatever yours is. And then we select the niche, and this one's fitness. So we're going to select health and fitness. And then we create the website. And that's it. That is literally it. You are now done. As you can see, the site has now been created for you. We've got 49 posts. We've got 5 reviews. Now, one of the first things you might want to do is just check out the different content that's been sourced for you. So you can see what the default content sources are. So for this niche, the ones that we've set by default for you are these 5 different ones related to this niche. But you can delete any of those. So for example, if I decided I didn't want this one here, I could delete that. And you can also add your own ones in. So you can add literally basically any website. Most websites have an RSS feed, so any website that's got an RSS feed, you can add it in here as a content source. So you've got basically unlimited options. So yeah, sure, if you want to get started really quick, you can use our default ones, but if you want to use your own, so you can have this work about any topic in any niche whatsoever, you can do that. So let's just have a look at the posts that it's created for us. So you can see them all here. So these are posts that it's already posted, and these ones are all scheduled. You can see that they're all relevant to the niche we have chosen. And you can see that you can go in and edit them at any point. So you can go in, you can see all of the information about them. This is all fully editable. And you can change the title, you can change when it goes live. You can see where it's been sourced from. If we go back to posts here, you can also, if you want, delete some. So perhaps I didn't like this one, I didn't want this one to be posted. I could just select and delete it. Perhaps maybe I want to delete all of these. I can do that. I could do that if I want. Delete them all. There we go, just like that. You can also create your own posts. So if you click here, you can create your own one completely with a full visual editor, add images, videos, whatever you want. It's kind of like having, basically your own completely done for you WordPress site, something like that. Now, of course, another thing that it does provide for you are reviews, and you can see that this is the review that's been generated for us and posted for us already. You can also see that we've got 4 that are scheduled to come up in the future, and as we mentioned, as new ClickBank products are added in your niche, we will do new reviews for you, and you will see them pop up in here on a regular basis. So again, these are all completely fully editable. If you want to, you can go in, edit any of this. You can change the time it goes live. You can change the title. You can change all of the text. You can just leave it the same. Maybe you don't like the look at this one. Maybe you don't think that you don't want to have this vegan one. You could delete that so it wouldn't be posted. Again, huge amount of control. You can also add ads and opt-ins here. So if you wanted to add some different banner ads or your opt-in form to your site, you can do that with this interface here. So I'll just show you an example of how that would work. So for example, if you wanted to add a image link, this is one I've already got saved. So we'll add this image in here and we'll send it to, this is the address, the affiliate link for it. And we'll send it to the sidebar and we'll save settings. And I'll just make that live. So just forgot to do that there. I can also add an opt-in form if I want. So if I click there, so I'll just copy and paste in some code from my autoresponder there. So that's all we need to do, and we'll choose where we want it to be. I'll choose it in the sidebar, and click Save Settings. Oh, I forgot to make that live. Just make that live there. So there we go. It's simple as that to add as many banner ads or as opt-in forms as you want. You can put them wherever you want on the site. Something else I'll just point out, we can also add different pages to your site. So maybe you wanted to add, I don't know, a contact page, we just put a slug in here for the URL, and then you could have all your contact info or whatever you want. It's a completely visual editor, so you can put in images, videos, whatever you want. You can create unlimited pages. So yeah, you've got full control over this. You'll see hopefully how this works in a bit once I preview the site live. I'm just talking you through all the different things that you can do first. Something else that you should want to have a look at is all the little design options. So you might, for example, want to add a logo. So we make that really simple for you. So all you need to do is, so that you just enter the URL of your logo. So we've entered that in there. And well, I'll tell you what, let's just save this and have a look how it looks to begin by default. So if we just have a look at View Live. And there we go. Look at that. How amazing is that? Literally with, well, how long have I been on this video? And remember, this is me talking through all the different features, giving lots of explanations. Within just a few seconds, I've created a full site, banner ad, opt-in form, loads of great content, ClickBank reviews, all these posts, all designed and created for me, original content. It's really, really fantastic. But if I just head back to the site settings here, I just want to give you some sort of idea about how much power you've got about to redesign this if you want. So we've got various themes here. So I'll try that retro one. And perhaps instead of having all these posts one underneath each other, I might decide to have, I don't know, let's try this one first, then to grid. So let's just change those and have a look at it. I mean, there's loads and loads and loads of different design options. There's fonts, there's colors, loads of different things. But just to quickly show you how quickly you can change things. So bang, we've changed it just like that. And you can see here that we've got the posts being displayed in a different way. We could go back, maybe just make it one large. Maybe what I wanted to make it look more like a blog. So I could hit this option here to show the entire content. I'll show you what that looks like. Oh, maybe we'll change the color as well. I'll try this color here. Maybe this blue. Maybe this one here. Okay, and then save settings. I mean, that's probably going to look awful, but just to give you some sort of idea. There we go. It's as quick as that. You can literally change your site to have it looking exactly how you want it. So many powerful options, so many. And I mean, we haven't even scratched the surface here. This is just literally showing you just a tiny fraction of the power of ClickANDBank. One thing I did mention is that you could do your own, you could use your own domain. Yes, you can. It's as simple as copying and pasting one of these two different code snippets. You can choose which one you want to use. You just paste it in the location you want, so on your domain. Bang, the entire site is, well, this whole thing that you've just created will then be hosted on your own domain. So you can do that too. And finally, just imagine if, I don't know, say you'd created this fitness site and decided that you didn't want to be in that niche anymore, that you wanted to try something else. How easy is it to change over and try a different one? I'll show you. It's literally as simple as going in thinking, oh, I'll try business and investing instead. Change my site title. Change the sub so we get a different address to access it. And then we just click Save Settings, and boom, just like that, our entire site is then being regenerated with different posts from the business and investing niche. Really ultra smart, ultra easy to use, ultra powerful. That's what ClickBank's all about, and I just know you're going to love it.
So the gift that we've got for you today is a great gift. It's a series of videos, and it's all about ClickBank marketing secrets. I figured with obviously ClickANDBank being a product that is linked directly to all 23 niches, building you everything you'd ever need with ClickBank, it's good to know some of the marketing secrets. So there's a series of videos that you'll get in the free gift. The free gift is something we give away every single video that we do, every single promo that we put up online. You get a free gift. It will be in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. So go to YouTube, have a look at the description below. There'll be a URL. Click that, and this will give you the fantastic gift for today. Cheers. So now a synopsis of ClickANDBank and why we built it. ClickANDBank is a fantastic 100% automated ClickBank affiliate site builder. It's absolutely brilliant. It will monetize everything that you do, everything is in there already done for you if you're a newbie watching this. It's absolutely fantastic. Plus you get a commercial license with this, so you can make more money. It gives you the ability to actually make more money with this, and you could use this instead of WordPress, which is why we built it. It's web-based, and you can use your own domain. There's no hosting costs for you. It's monetized. It uses all 23 niches and gives you websites, videos, content, bonuses for all 23 niches within ClickBank. It's 100% customizable. Stop wasting time doing all the hard work yourself. It will do absolutely everything for you. Works in 3 easy steps, and ClickBank is free to join. There's no being approved or anything. And also, WordPress was causing us tons and tons of issues for customers, issues for all of our clients, and issues for ourselves. So we have moved on. We will still support all the WordPress things that we've done in the past, and we didn't want anyone getting hacked. We didn't want to get hacked, which does happen quite easily because of all the updates that you have to keep on top of with WordPress. So in the forefront of our mind was doing the best thing for our customers and doing the best things for our business. And it's very, very simple to use ClickANDBank. You basically create posts. You can use all the different design features that are in there, and it monetizes everything with ClickBank. It's absolutely fantastic. There's tons of themes, tons and tons of design options. There's literally hundreds of videos. There's literally hundreds of bonuses. There's literally hundreds of content for you there. It is absolutely fantastic. It is, as we say here in the UK, it's the full Monty. You can put in banner ads, you can put in options, as you would have saw in Dan's fantastic demo there. Lots and lots of different design features. It's the simplest software you'll ever come across. All 23 niches, all completely covered with websites. You basically say create website in the particular niche, and it will create a website in that niche with videos, bonuses, content, everything for you. And you get a commercial license to make even more money with this. ClickANDBank. It's absolutely fantastic. Thanks again for watching another software review. I really do appreciate it. I will be back very shortly with more for you, I'm sure. Please get your free gift, which is in the description below, which is a series of videos all to help you with the secret marketing aspects of ClickBank, which will be very, very useful to everyone who uses ClickBank. And I would get ClickANDBank, and this will be a fantastic way for you to make money, I'm absolutely sure. So please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will be back with you very, very soon. Michael Nesbitt from Byte Marketer, on behalf of Dan Green and the Byte Marketer team, I would like to say thank you very much for watching another video. Please stay safe out there. Everyone look after themselves, and I will be back with you very soon. Thanks again. Take care. Bye-bye now.